clock in, mask down, sparks rain. Tiny fireworks on the ground, building dreams you'll never see. Someone else signs the steel, gets the glory. You want it straight. I hold your whole world in place. That fancy car, that stadium seat, yeah! I probably welded the bones beneath. I'm the welder you forget about, holding up your house when the wind gets loud. You'll thank the chef, you'll praise the band, but not the one who fixed your concert stand. If your life's not falling apart at the seams, then my bad. I did my job to clean. Your cousin's kid posts art online, gets 10,000 hearts for a crooked line. I lay a perfect beat, smooth as glass. Boss walks by like, cool anyway, staff meeting fast. Got a calendar in the break room, safety first with a cartoon broom. But for employee of the month, I see the guy who sends us safety meme. I'm the welder you forget about, yeah. Sweating in the dark while you hang out. You cheer the team, you praise the coach, but not the one who fixed your rusty goalpost. If the bridge you crossed today still in one piece, then my bad. I made your danger seas. When your porch don't fall, when your railing stays, when that fire escape behaves. Just once I'd like to thank you for a cupcake with my name glued. Melting chocolate, please. I'm the welder you forget about. So rude. Holding all your hobbies, your job, your food. You toast the stars, you praise the sky, but not the one who keeps your ladder high. If the world's not crashing down where you stand, in my bed, I did my work too great.